In order to create draft classes for franchise in Madden NFL 26, first of all, we're gonna go to the franchise. And over here, we will have to create a new league, and I'm gonna choose offline solo. Let's go to the roster file over here. Now let's wait for the import. Now we can choose the team that we wish to play. I'm just gonna choose this one, and any coach. It doesn't really matter that much for me. Let's save and exit. And now we can start playing. We begin with the preseason, of course. And the next thing that we're gonna do is go to advanced week, and I'm gonna actually sim to regular season, and then let's sim ahead. After that, we're gonna choose draft class, and we're gonna go to keep auto-generated rookies. Let's keep this, and let's go to, let's actually go back. We're gonna go to prospects, and over here, we can start editing players. So in my case, I have to choose the left stick. I have to press left stick in order to edit a player. You can see the button required at the bottom of the screen, of course, where we have all these buttons. So I'm gonna choose this player over here. And now we need to go and choose edit draft class. And over here, once again, I'm gonna choose the same player. And I can customize this player as I wish, of course. Once you are done with any of these changes, so let's say I'm just gonna slightly change the name of the player. And I'm gonna just go back, and we want to save changes. Alright, so now let's go back again. And this time we're gonna choose export local file. So this is once you are done with everything, we're just gonna go back and we need to export. We need to create the new file name. I'm just gonna set up any name. And then we have file saved successfully, so let's press OK. And after that, we can just exit. So we're gonna quit. And after that, we're gonna create another new league. Once again, I'm gonna choose solo and roster file. And now let's wait. Once again, let's pick up the team. There we go. And let's start playing preseason. And once again, we will have to go to advanced week, and we need to advance to the regular season. Let's sim ahead. And once again, after that, we can go to choose a draft class, and this time we can import local file. And as you can see, we have our created draft class. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.